Presenting SanDisk Ultra Dual SDDD3 128G i35 USB 3.0 128GB flash drive in the color black. This SanDisk flash drive comes in 4 capacity variants of 32GB, 64GB, 128GB and 256GB. This SanDisk is a flash drive that comes with a capacity of 128GB. The high-speed USB 3.0 offers a read speed of up to 150 megabytes per second. The USB 3.0 connector can be backwards compatible with USB 2.0 ports. It can create an automatic backup for photos and videos with the SanDisk Memory Zone app. The SanDisk Ultra Dual Drive is compatible with Android smartphones and tablets featuring OTG USB support. The dimensions of the product are 1.18 by 2.55 by 3.02 centimeters and it weighs 5 grams. The Ultra Dual Drive is provided with a keyring to carry it comfortably and securely. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.